Hello, hello. Karibu jikoni kwa Irene. Irene's kitchen, mimi ndiye Irene. Today I'm going to be making some crispy chicken, deep fried chicken. So I have the chicken here. These are I chose to use pieces of drumsticks. They are 8 pieces. I have the spices that I'm going to be using here. So this is turmeric. This is garlic powder. We have paprika, salt, taste. We have black pepper. We have oregano. We have thyme. We have chicken masala. And then this is corn flour that we have here. I have half a lemon. I have 2 eggs. And I'm going to get right into marinating this. I'm going to make a marinade of this. I'm going to add all the spices except the corn flour into my chicken. I'm going to mix this well to ensure that each piece of the chicken has mixed well with the spices. In this other bowl, I'm going to whisk my eggs. I will add in the corn flour. Once I get this smooth running, I'm going to get the lemon juice. So I'll add this mixture of the corn flour and the eggs. So this is how it looks. It's ready for deep frying. So we let the cooking oil get hot and ready for deep frying. So I'll check. My cooking oil is ready. So I'm going to add in the chicken. So this is the final product. Very, very crispy. You can see. So this is how you can make your deep fried crispy chicken. Simple, easy. Subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Bye bye.